Okay, so I just finished filming. My makeup is looking so good today. I used this brown color eye pencil, which is so amazing. It's from this brand called Hue, and I did use a lot of concealer under my eyes, so it's creasing a little bit. Anyways, I'm just going to remove my makeup and yeah, show you guys my skincare routine a bit, because I love my skincare routine, and specifically this time when I'm just done with my shoot and now I'm gonna take care of my skin and I'm gonna remove everything. I love makeup, by the way, but I just don't love wearing this much makeup on my face. First, I'm gonna start with this cleansing oil. This is from this Korean brand called Ariel, and I love this cleansing oil so much. I am about to finish. You guys can see how much I used it. I'm gonna use this. And now for my face wash, I'm gonna use my all-time favorite Rhode Pineapple Cleanser. This is my second bottle and I'm about to finish this one as well. It just removes everything from your face, no matter if you're wearing makeup. Like sometimes I do use this when I'm wearing light makeup, and it just makes your skin so perfect. I have tried out so many other cleansers, but this one works the best. Okay, so my skin is all clean right now. I'm gonna use my toner. This is the Innisfree Retinol Green Tea Toner, which works really well if you have like a textured, bumpy skin. I'm using this for a couple of months now. Really loving the finish, how it actually looks on my skin. It actually makes your skin look super glowy. You can even use this before your makeup. I really love this product a lot. This is the Green Tea Ceramide Milk Barrier Essence. And I love this because it does not make my skin feel oily or excessive hydrating. And lastly, a vitamin C moisturizer. This one is from Pixi, and this is just to brighten up your skin. I'm just going to use it this much. Hydrating. Plus, if you have dry skin, you will love this one. I don't know what angle is this, but I just cannot find my tripod anywhere. Received my Zara parcel. I'm actually going out to do my nails because these are looking so bad right now. Just received my Zara package, my very small Zara parcel. I just purchased 2 products. First item is this. It's a very basic Zara sandal, and I was looking for a sandal like this. It's very comfortable as well with a little kitten heel. I love a basic stuff like this, and it's so pretty. Going on a vacation again very soon, and I really wanted a beautiful cotton jacket, and this is the one. Personally purchased it because of this high neck button. It's a very simple cotton jacket. You can wear it, you can open it up and wear it, or you can just button it up. It's really nice. It's more like a bomber jacket, and this is what the sleeve looks like. It contains that boxy type of a pattern. I really love it. It looks good. Of course, you're gonna see me style this. So yeah, here are the two items that I purchased from Zara.
Leaving all my worries, I prepare for something new. Whatever it was that held me back, I'm sure it wasn't true. Holding on too long and unresolved questions hold you down. What could have been a friendly smile has turned into a frown. I'm moving on and on. On and on, I'm moving on and on and on. I'm driving in my car, the road is long and full of dust. The landscape changes around me, on and on, I feel immersed. Whatever happened to me happened for my highest good. I read that in so many books, now it's almost understood. I'm moving on.